Hey Mia, I've been thinking about picking up a new hobby, but I have no idea where to start. Do you have any hobbies?
Of course, I've got a few. Hobbies are a great way to relax and have fun.
Hmm, I'm not sure. What kind of hobbies do you have?
Why don't you tell me what you're interested in? Well, I love painting. It's so calming to mix colors and create something beautiful.
Painting sounds cool, but I'm not great with a brush. What else?
How about gardening? There's something magical about planting seeds and watching them grow. It's like caring for tiny green pets.
Gardening sounds nice, but I don't think I have the patience for that. Anything more active?
Oh, then you might enjoy hiking or cycling. I love hiking on weekends. The fresh air and beautiful views are the best.
That does sound refreshing, but what if it rains? Do you have any indoor hobbies?
Absolutely. I also enjoy cooking. Trying out new recipes is like a fun experiment, and you get delicious results.
Hmm, I've always wanted to try cooking. Maybe I'll give it a shot. Any tips?
Start with something simple, like pasta or pancakes. Once you get the hang of it, you can try fancier recipes. And hey, we could cook together sometime.
That sounds like fun. I'll give it a go. Thanks for the inspiration, Mia. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime, Lily. Just remember, hobbies are all about enjoying yourself. No pressure, just have fun.
Let's learn the important expressions. Picking up a new hobby. It means starting a new activity. It's so calming. It means it's very soothing. Magical about planting seeds. It means wonderful about starting growth. Fresh air and beautiful views. It means refreshing atmosphere and lovely sights. Get the hang of it. It means become skilled at it.